Let us solve this question. If 2 power x minus 2 power x minus 1 equal to 4, then find the value of x to the power of x. Now let us rewrite this expression what is given. So we can say 2 power x minus, this 2 power x minus 1 can be written as 2 power x divided by 2 power 1. Because it is like a power m minus n. So we can write it as a power m divided by a power n. This is equal to 4 given. So I can take common 2 power x outside. So you will have 1 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 4, which can be rewritten as 2 power x equal to, 2 power x times, let me write, instead of writing equal to, I should write it as multiplied by times 1 minus half is 1 by 2 equal to 4. Now by cross multiplying, we can have 2 power x equal to 8, and 8 can be written as 2 cube. So from this we can equate the indices. So x is equal to 3. Now we are supposed to find what is x power x. X power x means it is 3 power 3. 3 power 3 is 27. That is the solution for this particular problem.